Today I want to show you how to easily remove extra rows from your spreadsheet. Often what happens is when you want to filter, you are not able to filter because there's all these empty spaces in your spreadsheet. Or you can even want your spreadsheet to look much more neater and you want to remove all these extra rows. Often what I see people do is they would right click and then one by one they will delete each row. However, that is very time consuming and we want a better way to do this. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select column A and then we're going to press F5 and then special. So now it's going to select all our blank rows for us so that we can go ahead and delete them. The next thing we're going to go ahead and delete them and we're going to press Alt HD off. There you go. All your additional and extra empty rows have been deleted as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching my channel and also this video. If you want to see more of these type of videos, please like and subscribe. You can even leave a comment down below. And then until next time.